Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about the function of the vocal cords, okay, and what is the larynx, the function of the larynx, children. Okay. Today, we will be learning about the excuse. Okay. Observing the movements of vocal cords during speech. Normally, when we are doing the speech, when we are talking, how the vocal cords makes the movement. Okay, see here, children, for this activity, here is asking that we should take a chocolate paper, children. Chocolate paper. Take the wrapper of the chocolate paper. Okay, and we should blow the air forcefully on the chocolate wrapper. When we apply the force on the wrapper forcefully, it produces some sound, children. Okay, it produces some sound. Okay, in the same way, and ask another friend to blow the air slowly, gently. Okay, children. Therefore, when we apply the force gently, then it produces of the sound, but whereas it produces a very feeble sound when compared to that of the previous one. Okay, children. Therefore, here by this what we can say that, okay, that means in the first case, okay, the sound is high. Okay, in the first case the sound is high, whereas in the second case, that means when we are blowing with gently, slowly, then here it will be a normal, children. Okay, by this what we can say, that means sound is a kind of vibration. Okay, sound is a kind of vibration. Okay, it reaches us by some source. Okay, we can hear this sound. We can hear this sound. Okay, when we are at a far distance. How we hear the sound? That means sound needs something to travel from one place to the another place, children. Therefore, what is that called as? What is that called as? It is called as the medium. It is called as the medium, children. Okay, sound needs medium. Sound needs medium. Then what do you mean by the medium, children? What is the medium? Medium means the source through which energy is transferred. The source through which energy is transferred. Children, the source through which energy is transferred is called as the medium. Okay, normally in order to propagate the sound, propagate means to send the sound from one place to the other place, we require the medium. Okay, sound cannot travel in the vacuum. That means if there is no medium, sound cannot travel. Compulsory sound needs medium, children. Sound needs medium. Whereas the light doesn't require any medium. Light, in the presence of the medium, it can travel. In the same way, in the absence of the medium also it can travel. But whereas the sound compulsory, it requires the medium, children. Okay, sound requires the medium. Compulsory sound requires the medium. Medium is the source through which energy is transferred. Normally, children, here, when you are talking in the mobile phones, you can talk with your neighbor or your relative who is there in somewhere in a other country. How that is possible? It is possible. It is only through the means of media. Where is the medium there? Can you able to see something going over there? No, we can't able to see them. But air is there. Air. Sometimes in some places, when you go there, we won't get the perfect signals. Okay, there will have the lack of signal, such that we cannot hear the proper sound. Okay. Therefore, at that time, what we'll do, we go from one place to the another place. From one place to the, we are just shifting from our position from one place to the another place, such that to get the signal. Is it not, children? Yes. Why it is like that? It is because that sound is, that means in order to propagate these waves normally, and through the transmission of the waves, electromagnetic waves, we can talk with each other. Okay, children. Therefore, for that, a sender should be there, a receiver should be there. That means normally whatever the sounds, whatever that we are making, that is transferred into the signals through a tower, and that tower transmits to the another tower, whereas the another tower again it decodes the signals whatever that are there, and it transmits into the vocabulary, children. Okay, what we are speaking, and all this takes place in the fraction of seconds. As a result, we can hear, we can see that we can talk with each and every person. Okay, children. Normally, when we are traveling in a train or when we are in a journey, we can't hear the signals properly. Why? Because there the medium whatever that is there, it is not constant as it is moving. Okay, due to of the fast moving of the air or fast moving of the air, we can't hear the voice properly, children. Therefore, children, here in order to propagate the sound from one place to another place, compulsory we require the medium. Okay, children. Medium is the source through which energy is transferred. Medium is the source through which energy is transferred, children. Okay, children. Now, how that medium is transferred from one place to the another place. Let us see that how the medium is transferred from one place to the another place. Okay, here medium is transferred from one place to another place. Normally, when I am talking, when I am teaching, that sound whatever that is made by me is heard by you. How that takes place? How that takes place? That means whatever the sounds that are produced by me are heard by you. How it is possible? It is possible by the way that whatever the sounds here, whatever the sound that I am making, normally sound travels in the form of waves, children. Sound travels in the form of waves. Okay. Therefore, what is a wave? What is a wave? Wave is the disturbance created in the medium. Wave. Wave is the disturbance created in the medium. Wave is the disturbance created in the medium. Okay, children. Wave is the disturbance created in the medium. Okay, that means sound travels in the form of waves. Sound travels in the form of waves. Sound travels in the form of waves. Form of waves. Okay, children. Sound travels in the form of waves. Children, see here. Normally, when I am talking, here the sound whatever that is produced by my mouth, it disturbs the molecules which are there in the air, which are in front of me. Here in the air, molecules are there, atoms are there, you know that one. Okay, children. Therefore, here in the medium, when I am speaking, okay, when I am talking, when I am shouting, I am disturbing the molecules which are in front of me. Therefore, which in turn disturb the molecules which are in front of them. That means when I am talking, here I am disturbing the molecules which are in front of me, coming and dashing. Therefore, in front of it again some molecules are there, dashing. That means whenever when I disturb the molecules which are in front of me, which in turn disturb the molecules which are in front of them. Finally, the receiver, that means the ear. Finally, the receiver, all the ears. Okay, all the students' ears, they receive the sounds. How it receives the sound? Whatever, as when they are disturbing the molecules in the different directions, in the random directions, finally it reaches the ear. In the ear will be having of a drum. Drum means which makes into vibrations, which we call it as tympanum. Okay, tympanum. Tympanum is the eardrum. It is the eardrum. Okay, it reaches the tympanum and it starts vibrating. When it vibrates, children, it produces the sounds. That sound is interpreted by the brain. That means the brain, it sends the signals to the brain, and brain interprets that. This person is teaching you. This person is scolding you. This person is praising you. Okay, this person is cursing you. This person is shouting at you. This person is crying towards you. Okay, like that. That means here the brain interprets the signals which are sent to the brain. Okay, that means whatever the sounds that are produced, the brain interprets that he is shouting, he is singing, he is dancing, like that. Okay children, like that we can hear the sound children. Okay, and finally it reaches the eardrum and we can hear the sound. Okay children, therefore here children, okay, sound is produced. Here we learn that what is medium. Medium is the source through which energy is transferred. Sound can travel in the form of waves. Okay, okay children, and here sound can be transmitted if there is a receiver and a sender is there. Okay children, and here we are having of what is a wave. Wave is a disturbance created in the medium. Wave is a disturbance created in the medium children. Okay, the remaining we will be learning in the next class children. Have a nice day. Thank you.